Comes to the Mahakumbh Mela that is all set to begin on the 13th of January next year in Prayagraj. But ahead of this mega event, there seems to be a fresh political slugfest brewing between the ruling BJP government and the opposition India bloc, with the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath extending invitations personally to senior BJP leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. But it appears that the opposition is not very happy with the invitations being extended to top central leaders. Targeting the Yogi Sarkar, the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav says that people come to Mahakumbh because of faith and not because of invitations, and asking whether the government will also now extend invitation to the crores of devotees arriving for the auspicious occasion.
कुंभ का सवाल तो है ही तैयारी का सवाल, और मैं आपको बता दूं, कुंभ में निमंत्रण नहीं दिया जाता है। कुंभ में अपने आप लोग आते हैं, आस्था से आते हैं। हालांकि मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूं। जो हम लोगों ने अपने धर्म के बारे में सीखा, समझा और पढ़ा है वो यही है कि ऐसे आयोजनों में लोग स्वयं आते हैं। जो वहां करोड़ों लोग आएंगे, क्या उनको निमंत्रण दिया जाता है? वो अपने आप आते हैं। तो समझ लो ये सरकार अलग तरह की है, अब आप हमसे बेहतर जानते हो।
Well, with the reactions that have been coming in, remember this comes in the backdrop of Akhilesh Yadav's previous attack on the government, where he claimed that the state is unprepared to organize Mahakumbh this year, or rather next year. And while the BJP has now hit back at the Samajwadi Party, saying that the opposition is only keen on mocking and politicizing the issue.
महाकुंभ में मैं पूरे दुनिया के जो हमारे सनातन धर्म के मानने वाले लोग हैं, सबका मैं हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। और मैं समाजवादी पार्टी के मुखिया से भी कहना चाहता हूं, आप भी आइए, पुण्य प्राप्त करिए, पापों को धोइए। ये सबके लिए महाकुंभ का एक ऐसा अवसर सनातन धर्म मानने वालों का है। सबका मैं हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। और आपको अभी भी उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य का जो आपका शासनकाल था, आपको याद आता होगा।
देखिए, महाकुंभ सनातन की आस्था का विषय है। सदियों पुरानी हमारी संस्कृति है और संस्कृति से जुड़ा महाकुंभ है। महाकुंभ में सबको निमंत्रण देना, सादर सहित उनको आमंत्रित करना और उनके सभी व्यवस्थाओं का, उनकी सभी सुविधाओं का ध्यान रखना, सुरक्षा का ध्यान रखना मौजूदा सरकार का कर्तव्य है और ये कर्तव्य बहुत बेहतर तरीके से निभा रहे हैं।
पहले तो महाकुंभ का मखौल उड़ाने के लिए खामखा और अनर्गल बातें उठा रहे थे कि खंभों पे तार नहीं है, और अब जब निमंत्रण दिया जा रहा है महाकुंभ का, तो उसको लेकर भी टीका टिप्पणी करना, सियासत करना और तंज कसना। इस बात का ज्ञान नहीं होगा कि शुभ कार्यों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को आमंत्रित या आग्रहित किया जाता है कि वो प्रतिभाग ले। तो हो सकता है उनके जानकारी या उनके ज्ञान में अभाव हो।
Well, let's get in a word from Adib, who is joining us right now. Good morning, Adib. It seems that the Chief Minister himself being present in the national capital, he's been very actively engaging with key political and administrative leaders as well to ensure that there is participation in the highly anticipated event of the Mahakumbh. Why is it being politicized now?
Well, definitely, Amita, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself is visiting Delhi to invite several of the senior leaders of BJP, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and now Akhilesh Yadav has taken a potshot at Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He's saying that invitations are not given for Kumbh, but people come out of faith. And he also went on to say that not just Yogi Adityanath, but several of the other leaders, they have also been invited people across the nation. What the state government has did, that they have assigned several of the ministers that they'll be visiting almost all the states to invite the chief ministers of all the states. And now Akhilesh Yadav is asking that invitations are not given for Kumbh, but people come out of faith. However, the BJP has hit back at Akhilesh Yadav. Several of the senior leaders of BJP, including Brijesh Patel, they have reacted on Akhilesh Yadav, saying that it's the government of Samajwadi Party. They never did anything for Kumbh when they were in the government. They never invited people, and now it's the government of Sanatanis people. We are extending invitations to all the people, and in fact, we also invite Akhilesh Yadav that he should come to Kumbh and wash away his sins. So this is how BJP has responded to Akhilesh Yadav when he says that the state government is inviting people for the Kumbh.